Welcome to this short guided meditation. Start by getting into a comfortable position where you won't be disturbed. Allow your shoulders and hands to rest easily. Sitting in a relaxed yet alert position. Feel the gentle pull of gravity on your body. Close your eyes and take a moment to scan through your body, letting go of any tension or pressure. Now just bringing your awareness to the sensation of your breathing. And then just allowing your focus to settle on where you notice the movement of the breath most clearly. When your focus is clear, anchor your attention here on the flow of the breath. Avoid trying to control the breath, noticing the full movement and rhythm of each breath. Let this become the anchor for your attention, noticing where each breath ends and where each breath begins. And just noticing where the mind is in this moment. Time after time, letting go and returning your awareness to the flow of your breath. Observe each in-breath and each out-breath, not trying to change it in any way, just breathing naturally. And as you breathe in, be aware that you're breathing in. As you breathe out, be aware that you're breathing out, staying with the entire length of the breath. From time to time, your mind will wander off. Don't worry when this happens. This is completely normal and allows us the opportunity to bring back our focus, each time strengthening our present state awareness. If it helps to anchor your attention on the flow of the breath, try saying breathing in as you breathe in and breathing out as you breathe out. Just noticing that the mind has become distracted, without judging your practice or yourself. Avoid becoming frustrated. Focusing again on the feeling of each breath as it flows in and out. Be aware of the space between the breath in and the breath out, and the space as the breath out turns into the next breath in. allow your concentration to rest. If your mind wants to concentrate, allow that to happen. If your mind wants to be distracted, allow that to happen. As you sit in awareness, there's no need to change anything. Nothing else to do. And as we approach the ending of our practice, slowly bringing your attention back to the room. Noticing the sounds around you, bringing the attention back to the physical contact with the floor. Gently moving your hands and feet. And whenever you feel ready, opening your eyes. I hope you found this meditation helpful and enjoyable. If so, click the thumbs up and share it with friends or family that might find it helpful too, and subscribe for new meditations every week. Before heading on to what you do next, just taking a moment to maintain that mindful awareness.